In this video, we're going to take a look at how to change your legal name on PayPal. First, you're not going to be able to use the PayPal app to do this, so if you've been trying already but you couldn't find it, that's going to be why. So instead, we're going to need to log into the PayPal website, but you can just use Safari or any mobile web browser to do it. Open your browser and head to paypal.com. Once you're there, log into your PayPal account. You can use your mobile number to send a code if you have that set up, or you can just log in with your password. Make sure that you stay on the PayPal website too, and you don't choose the open option here on the top, which is going to open up the PayPal app. Once you're logged in, on the home screen, choose the 3-line menu button here at the top left. If you're using a desktop browser to do this, it's going to work the same way. Next, choose the settings icon here. Now that you're on your account page, you'll see your full name and next to that, change name. Choose that. When you go to change your name, you'll have 3 options. The first 2 are if you're changing your legal name after something like a marriage or a divorce, and the other is if you're just updating it from something you had chosen before, like a nickname. Both options are going to require proof of your new or updated legal name, like an ID. This is so that you can prove that you're not trying to impersonate someone else and for your security. The last option is if you just need to make a minor adjustment of a couple letters. This could be from something like a misspelling. Note though that you're only going to be able to do this once and that you'll need to confirm it before you actually make the change. Make your changes with the selection that applies to you and then submit it to PayPal. They say the average time it takes for PayPal to review and make your change is 3 to 5 business days, so just make sure that you know that it won't be instant. Also, if you have a PayPal savings account, they'll automatically close that under your old name and move whatever money you may have inside of it into your main PayPal balance. But once your account name is updated, you can just create a new savings account with that and move your funds back into it. And that's how you change your legal name inside of PayPal.